Now, at this point in time, you will have to focus on my screen. You will have to focus on my screen, whatever color my screen shows on your device. Just focus on my screen. So, I would like to know if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, type number 9 in the comment section. Type 9. If you can see my screen, my board, yes, whatever it is to you, just type 9. Type 9. So right now we want to learn what we know as solving equations. Solving equations. So in mathematics, many times we solve equations. So solving equations is a subtopic under algebra. Alright, it is a subtopic under algebra. So everybody will have to pay attention to my screen right now. I have closed the comment section. Thank you for responding. So now let's learn solving equations. Solving equation means finding the value of the unknown. That's the meaning. Solving equations, pay attention. Solving equations means finding the unknown value. Finding the unknown value. That's the meaning of solving equations. Now, solving equation is under algebra. So we do this under algebra. Now, a quick summary of what algebra is. Now, in algebra uses symbols to represent values in mathematics. When it comes to algebra, we use symbols. We use letters or symbols to represent values. We use letters or symbols to represent values. That is dealing with algebra. So make sure you are writing and be as fast as possible. At Learning Base Africa, while we are learning, we write, okay? And we are as fast as possible. So make sure you pay attention. So solving equations means finding the value of the unknown or the unknown value. So we use letters or symbols to represent values. We use letters or symbols to represent values. Now let us continue. Now these are examples of algebra. Or in algebra, there is something we call like and unlike terms. Okay? We have what we call like terms. Like terms are terms that look alike. So these are examples. Like terms are terms that look alike. So for instance, 2x, x, 4x, alright, 10x are all called like terms. We can also have y, 52y, 7y, 9y. These are all called like terms because they are terms that are having the same letter. They are terms that are having the same letter. Having the same letter, yeah. So terms that have the same letter are called like terms. So you can also have, 20m, m, 4m, 12m, etc. So we call these like terms. I'm going to ask you a question. Then we have what we call unlike terms. We have what we call unlike terms. Make sure you are writing and be as fast as possible. Unlike terms are terms that do not have the same letters. Do not have same letters or symbols. Okay, so examples. Look at examples of unlike terms. Look at examples of unlike terms. X, 3y, z, 7q. You can see that they all have different letters. So when they have different letters, we call them unlike terms. When they have different letters, we call them unlike terms. When they have the same letters, we call them like terms. Now, in the comment section, I want you to type the two types of terms that I have just spoken about. I want you to type the two types of terms that I have just spoken about. What have I said? How many types of terms do we have? I have opened the comment section. Now, type the types of terms in the comment section. Type in the comment section the types of terms. Type them. What are the types of terms? Thank you. Yes, yes. Don't just type two. The name of the terms is not two. Type the names of the terms for me in the comment section. Fantastic, fantastic. That's like terms and unlike. Keep typing, keep typing. Some people haven't typed. If you don't know how to type, please click on the three dots on your device. In this class, while we are in this live class, there are three dots beside the red call button. There are three dots. Click on the three dots and click on in-call messages. Click on in-call messages. You will be able to type in the comment section. I hope that is clear. All right, so give me examples of like terms. Don't send emojis. Give me examples of like terms. Everybody, type it in the comment section. What are the examples? Type about 3 like terms for me. Type 3 like terms for me in the comment section. Type 3 like terms for me in the comment section. 3 like terms. You know how we have different. Thank you. Ifeanyi Chukwu, thank you. I think I'll begin to mention names. Ifeanyi Chukwu Oyakelem, thank you. The child with Olakpeju Openiyi, thank you. You type the correct thing there. X, 3x, 4x are called like terms. I'm still expecting examples on like terms. Thank you, Michelina. 2y, 3y, 9y are like terms. Fantastic. The child with Ebun Malomo, correct. 2y, 3y, 4y, like terms. Okay. Only give me examples of like terms right now. The child with Adeola Esther, you are correct. 2t, t, 4t are like terms. Correct, correct. Timileyin Remu, you are correct. 7f, 2f, 3f. Fantastic. Now, everybody, give me examples of unlike terms in the comment section. Give me examples of unlike terms in the comment section. Wow, wow, fantastic. Unlike terms. Give me examples of unlike terms in the comment section. Terms that don't have the same letters. They have different letters. Examples of unlike terms. Give me examples of unlike terms. Yeah. X, 3y, 7g. Correct. That's correct. Wow. 2y, 4y are like terms. Yes, I need examples of unlike terms. 3y and 3b are unlike terms. Correct. The child with Tosin Babatunde, you are correct. Taye Kehinde, yeah, 2x, 4x, and 10x are like terms, yeah. Ifeanyi Chukwu, 5t, 4e, 7m are unlike terms. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Fantastic. I hope you're enjoying the class. If you're enjoying the class, please type number 7 in the comment section. If you are enjoying the class, type number 7 in the comment section. If you are enjoying the class, type number 7 in the comment section. Amazing. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, good, good. So the comment section is closed. So we have been able to learn what we know as like terms and unlike terms in algebra. Now let's move on. Before we move to solving equations, we need to learn what we know as coefficients. Okay, we need to learn what we know as coefficients. Now look at my screen. Coefficients. All right, we need to learn what we know as coefficients. All right, so what do we know as coefficients? Coefficient is a number that is multiplying the unknown value. Okay, coefficient is the number. Coefficient is the number that is multiplying, the unknown. Coefficient is the number that is multiplying the unknown. Coefficient is the number that is multiplying the unknown. Coefficient is a number that is multiplying the unknown. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now look at this example. Everyone, look at this example. In 5x, look at 5x. Now 5 here is what is called the coefficient. 5 is the coefficient, while the x is the unknown value. Okay? 5 is the coefficient, while x is the unknown value. Now, let's look at another example. So, which means in 5x, 5 is the coefficient. 5 is the coefficient, all right? In 5x, 5 is the coefficient. 5 is the coefficient. I hope you understand that. Now, in 3y, 3 is the coefficient of y. 3 is the coefficient of y. Now, look at another one. In 7m, 7 is the coefficient of m. 7 is the coefficient of m. I hope you are getting that. Now, I'm going to open the comment section. I want everybody to type coefficients. I want everybody to type coefficients in the comment section. I want everyone to type coefficients in the comment section. Make sure you get the right spelling. Make sure you get the right spelling. I want you to type coefficients in the comment section. So post coefficients now. Coefficient, type it correctly. Type it correctly, please. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, so thanks for typing, everybody. So that's coefficient. So that's coefficient, and thanks for spelling it correctly. So let's continue. Don't forget that we have like and unlike terms. We have coefficients. Okay, so now let's look at more. So what if you have h over 4? What is the coefficient of h in h over 4? So pay attention. The coefficient of h in h over 4 is 1 over 4 in this case, because the coefficient of h is 1. I'm going to explain better. So 1 over 4 is the coefficient of h. 1 over 4 is the coefficient of h. Now, in x, 1 is the coefficient of x. 1 is the coefficient of x. Don't forget, all right? In y, when you have only x standing on its own, the number that can be multiplying that term, we call it a term. Okay, x is a term, y is a term, 3y is a term. So the number that is multiplying x, since there is no number that you can see right now, the number is 1. Anytime you don't see a number beside a symbol or a letter, it means it is 1 that is multiplying the unknown. So in x, 1 is the coefficient of x. In y, 1 is the coefficient of y. So I hope you understand that. I hope you got that. Now let's move on to solving equations. Let's move into some examples of solving equation. Let's solve the following. All right, look at the first one. X plus 7 is equal to 10. That is, what will you add to 7 to give us 10? That's the meaning. X is the unknown. That is, something plus 7 will give us 10. Now we have to balance. We have to balance the equation. The value on the left must be equal to the value on the right. Look at it. X plus 7 is on the left. Okay, 10 is on the right. The left side and the right side must be balanced, all right? Both of them must be balanced. So, how do we find the value of x? I know right now you will tell me, oh, the answer is 3. Yes, so how can you get 3 using 7 and 10? How can you get the number 3 using 7 and 10? So since we have 7 here, what we'll do is to collect the like terms. Let's rewrite x plus 7 equals 10. So in the brackets, I will say collect the like terms. Collect the like terms, all right? That is terms that look alike. So the terms that look alike in this equation are 7 and 10. They look alike. They are both numbers. They don't have letters. So we can add or subtract. So look at 7 is plus 7 here. Because it is plus 7, we are going to subtract 7 from both sides. Because it is plus 7, we are going to subtract 7 from both sides. Yes, because it is plus 7, you will say subtract, because the opposite of plus is minus. So you will say subtract 7 from both sides. We want to take it out. So anytime you want to take out a positive number, you are going to use the negative side of it. Yes, I'm talking to children in the basic 4 to 6, all right? Anytime you want to take out the positive number from each of the sides, you will use the opposite. The opposite of plus is minus. So that is why we want to subtract 7 from both sides. So that will be x, watch everybody, plus 7 minus 7. Can you see how I'm subtracting 7? Equals 10 minus 7. We have to subtract 7 from both sides. That is, on the left side, we are subtracting 7. On the right side, we are also subtracting 7. So 7 minus 7 will give us 0. Make sure you're paying attention as you're writing. 7 minus 7 on the left side will give us 0. Then we will be left with the letter x equals, on the right, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So the unknown value in this equation is equal to 3. I hope you understand that. Write as fast as possible. Now, one more example. Let us solve. (22 plus q is equal to 30). 22 plus q is equal to 30. That is, when you add a number to 22, we are going to get 30. So what is that number? What should we add to 22 to give us 30? So now, if you look at the left side, you will see that 22 has no minus sign. So it is positive. It is plus 22. So because it is plus 22, we are going to use the opposite, which is minus. So you will say subtract. Subtract 22 from both sides. Okay? Subtract 22 from both sides. Pay attention. So that will be 22 that we met there minus 22 plus q. Don't forget that we have plus q equals 30 minus 22, because we have to subtract 22 from both sides so that we can be able to find the unknown value. Whatever you're doing to the left, you have to do it to the right side. We call it the balancing method, all right? So 22 minus 22 will give us 0. We will be left with the letter q. That's plus q equals 30 minus 22 is equal to 8. So the value of the unknown in this equation is known as 8. The answer is 8. So I hope you understand. So quick question time. This question will give you 5 stars. So write quickly, because it is question time, stars time. It is question time, stars time. All right, so now listen to this question. This question is for you. Listen to the question. This question is for you. I'm going to say it because I want you to listen. Solve h plus 12 equals 22. H plus 12 equals 22. So solve, that is, what is the value of h? That's the meaning. To solve an equation means to find the value of the unknown. So what is the value of h? I'm going to count 1 to 5. I'll count down from 5 to 0, then I'll open the comment section. Let's see who wins. Let's see if boys will win or girls will win. Or let's see who's going to top the class, all right? H plus 12 equals 22. What is h? You're meant to solve it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Post your answer now. What is the value of h? Let's see who's going to have 5 marks. Let's see who's getting my 5 stars or the 5 marks. Wow. Yes, I can see the answers. Okay, make sure you always type your name beside your answers. I know LBA students know that. Yeah, they know we type our names beside our answers, all right? You're telling me whether you're a boy or a girl. Fantastic. Wow, awesome. So if you don't know how to type in the comment section, please click on the 3 dots that are beside the red call button, all right? Click on the 3 dots. After clicking on the 3 dots, click on the in-call messages. Then you will be able to type in the comment section. Amazing. If you have not yet typed, please type your answer. Wow, correct. I can see Heritage, I can see Destiny, I can see a whole lot of answers. I can see Brianna and Solomon. Wow, Timilenya Remo. Wow. Yeah, Susan Agbelusi. Correct. All right, I'm going to lock the comment section. Now, if you know you typed 10, if your answer is 10, give yourself 5 stars. If your answer is 10, give yourself 5 stars. Give yourself 5 stars. Amazing. Now listen to the next question. I hope you are ready. So solve f plus 21 equals 35. F plus 21 equals 35. Get ready to post your answer in the comment section. Now, this is how you're going to post your answer because I will be choosing only the first 10. I want to see if boys are many, are going to be many, all right? Or the girls will be many. So let's see the first 10. Let's see who's going to win, whether boys or girls. Are you ready? F plus 21 equals 35. What is the value of F? You're to solve, all right? So 5. Are you ready to post your answers? 4, 3, 2, 1. Post your answer now. Post. I'm picking the first 10 only. I'll need to write down the names. So I'll see if the boys will win or the girls will win tonight. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm closing the comment section in the next 5 seconds. I'm closing the comment section in the next 5 seconds. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. So Let's see. The first to type Fola is a girl. Wow. Let's see. I should have asked you to type your sex beside. Michelle's answer is not correct. Adeyemi Gold. The child with Adeyemi Gold, I don't know if you're a boy or a girl. So later when I open the comment section, you tell me if you're a boy or a girl. Ifeanyi Chukwu Ohakelem, yeah, that's a boy. So we have one boy, one girl. Yeah, I can see praise. Praise, you didn't type your name, but I know that you're the one. All right, so Michelina. Okay, Michelina, your answer is not correct. Victoria, correct. So now I have three girls. Shemilore, your answer is not correct. The child with Chinwe, J, Ekwedike, yes, Ekwedike. That's the child with Chinwe. I would like to know if you are a boy or a girl. I'd like to know if you are a boy or a girl. Okay, let's see. I have Feyi, Adura Agbemi. Most of it is not right your name. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to give you another opportunity. Please, if you're going to post the next answer, write your name, whether you're a boy or a girl. So if my name is Fola, I would say Fola girl 14, which is my answer. Fola girl 14, which is my answer. All right, so are you ready? I hope you're ready. Okay, now the next question. Solve. All right, good. So pay attention. So solve this equation. Solve this equation. B plus 17 equals 29. B plus 17 equals 29. So solve the equation. So I want to count. Don't forget your name, your sex, whether a boy or a girl, then your answer. Post it. All right, so 5. B plus 17 equals 29. 4, 3, 2, 1. Post your answer now. Post your answer now. All right. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for your answers. Wow, Fola posted quickly, okay? Fola is a girl, correct? So I'm ready to close the comment section. At the count of 5, I'm going to close the comment section. Let's see who wins, whether the boys will win or the girls will win. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Okay, so let's see if Fola dropped her answer correctly. Let's see if the next person is a girl or a boy. Michelina, correct. She's a girl. This next person didn't type her name. Sorry, no score. Patricia, you didn't type your whether you're a boy or a girl. Rachel, Lois. Okay, yes, Lois. Lois is a girl. So the next person, Olamide, is a boy. The next person did not type the name. Most of you should be listening to instruction. I said type your name, type whether you are a boy or a girl, then your answer. So if you didn't follow my instruction, you're not going to get a score. I want to skip your name. Israel is a boy. So I have Israel. Success Salah is a girl. Success. All right, let's see. Zaud is a boy. All right, Zaud or Zord. Okay. Inni is a boy. Correct. Zaud as a boy, your answer is not correct. So I'm taking you out. I'm looking for Esther is a girl. Correct. All right. So Ifeanyi Chukwu, correct. Okay, Ifeanyi is correct. I don't know the name of this child. No name. Michelle. Yes, I have Michelle. I have Inioluwa. That's another Inioluwa. Only girls are following instructions. Some girls aren't following instructions. Okay. Then I have Samuel. Boy. Let me see if we are up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 7 girls. I have 7 girls and 5 boys. So right now the girls are the winner. Amazing. Now, if your answer is 12, if you type 12 as your answer, you have 5 stars. So by now, maybe you'll be having 15 stars or 20 stars. So you have 5 stars. Now listen attentively to my next question. Listen. So in what is the coefficient? What is the coefficient of L in 3L? What is the coefficient of L in 3L? What is the coefficient of L, the letter L, in 3L? I'm going to open the comment section now. You should type your name, boy or girl. That is, my name is Adebisi. I will say Adebisi, boy. My answer is, you also type your answer before you post it. Type your name, your sex, then your answer before you send it. All right. So are you ready? What is the coefficient of L in 3L? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Post your answer now. Post your answer now and get ready to have another 5 stars. Post your answer now and get ready for another 5 stars. Okay, so I'm closing the comment section in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so let's see the first 10 answers. Let's see, maybe this time boys will win. So what's the coefficient? What's the coefficient of L in 3L? Fola didn't type her answer. She only typed Fola. And she's telling us she's a girl. Thank you. Okay, Ifeanyi, correct. Ifeanyi Chukwu Ohiakele, correct. Is a boy. Michelina, correct. Lois, correct. Lois, correct. Victoria, correct. Salim isn't telling us whether it's a boy or a girl. I'm having Esther. Esther, correct. Success, correct. Jesse, correct. Okay, God gift, correct. Wow, boys are coming up. Wisdom, fantastic, correct. Divine, wow, boys are girls now. All right, I'm liking this now. Zainab, girl. All right. Okay, we already got 5 boys, 5 girls, so it's a tie. So if you know your answer is 3, give yourself another 5 stars. Give yourself another 5 stars. You are correct. Now, the next question. Pay attention. Don't forget what I taught you in coefficients, and I asked you to write it down. So you are permitted to check your book. Now, listen. What is the coefficient of M? What is the coefficient of M in M over 4? What is the coefficient of M in M over 4? So get ready to type your answer in the next 5 seconds. What is the coefficient of M in M over 4? What is the coefficient of M in M over 4? 5, 4, 0. Ready to post your answer? Type your name. Type whether you are a boy or a girl. Type your answer. Your name. I'm a girl, so I will type Grace, girl, 10 over 10. That's 10 over 10 is my answer, right? So are you ready? Post your answer now. Everybody post your answer now. I'm closing the comment section in the next 5 seconds. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm closing the comment section. I believe you have learned what coefficient is. Okay, so now let's see who the winner is. Let's see. So what's the coefficient of m in m over 4? Michelina, your answer isn't correct. It's not complete. Yes, Fola got the answer. The answer is 1 over 4. The answer is 1 over 4. Yeah, Michelle's answer is correct. Ifeanyi Chukwu, correct. Victoria, correct. So I'm really looking for more answers. Some of you didn't write your name. Israel, correct. Israel is a boy. Olamide is a boy, but you didn't give us, okay. God gives, your answer is not correct. Success Salah, not correct. Kadash. Your answer, those of you who wrote 1, your answer was not complete, okay. Those who wrote 1 didn't have complete answer. Okay, so all right.